Hey guys, Akil here. In today's video, I want to share with you a trade that I took today, which really provides a really good lesson for newer traders on how to handle outcomes. So check it out. Here's some footage of us breaking it down in the live room, and then I'll see you guys at the very end with a few wise words. So this was kind of a follow-up from last week's trading idea. Last week, we were looking for a move right back into this level of structure. You can see price action came up. We put in a structure high right here. We put in a structure high right here. And then we broke and closed right past that level. Now, once resistance is broken, it often becomes what? Or it could be looked at as potential what? Support. So what we're looking at is for price action to retrace down to this level, and this may be the first opportunity to see some consolidation or some type of small reversal. Not sold on a full continuation here. Based on the weekly chart analysis, I'm not sold on us seeing a retest of previous structure highs and an extension past there, just based at the overall level we're at. But I do think we could see some type of bullish reaction. And remember, this is a daily time frame. So although it may not seem like a lot of room here, there's a massive amount of room when we go down to my trading time frame. We did end up getting a reversal pattern in price as we did this. So price action, blah, 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 we came down, we retraced, we're ebbing and flowing, we came down here, and then we started to consolidate, right? Start to consolidate. What does this look like, guys? This little formation right here. Anybody? Descending. Descending triangle, right? And then you can see, boom, we broke out to the low side. This will be a lot easier to see once we go down to the hourly. We broke out to the low side here. Then we followed that move up, right, with a retrace back to previous structure highs, which I would expect. But actually, we broke and closed above this level. And that was the key move that I was looking for. Now, as we go down to the 60-minute chart, it'll get a lot clearer. So here's that. The triangle doesn't really look like a triangle here on the 60-minute chart, but you can see here's the consolidation, kind of the sideways movement right in here. We broke below, and then as we came up, oops, sorry about that. As we came up, we blew past this previous structure high right here. We blew past this previous structure high right here, right? And then we started consolidating and making an ascending triangle. You guys still with me? So unfortunately, the trading opportunity didn't work out in my favor. As you can see on the price chart in front of you, we have a nice little spike around the 10 o'clock hour, and that is what took me out of the trade before coming back up to trading exactly where we were to begin with. And it gave us a good opportunity to provide a very good lesson to our newer traders in the live room about shifting blame. Now, I'm not sure what caused this event. It was about 9:50. It wasn't a news event that was predetermined, meaning it wasn't something that you would see on Forex Factory. It could have been something, who knows? It could have been something to do with Korea and the war and them stumbling across our plans. It could have been something about an FOMC member saying something ahead of our minute release later on this week. It could have been our president tweeting something. I have yet to do my due diligence and find out what. But the point is, it doesn't really matter. As traders, we need to accept the fact that the market is going to do whatever it wants to do, whenever it wants to do it. And we are just participating in that. And sometimes it's going to work in our favor. Sometimes it will not. I told our traders today in a live room, what is your most likely reaction when you see something like this happen? Meaning when you see price action put in a sporadic movement that stops you out and then reverses right away. Well, there is anger, right? A little bit of being upset, being sad, but there's also blame, right? When you go back and you think about this trade, or you talk to a trading buddy about it, you're saying, oh man, the only reason I was stopped out because news came out, or the market did this and the market did that. And we're so quick to shift blame somewhere else when something like this happens. However, think about it in this sense. What if we were short? And what if this spike, no matter what caused it, what if this spike caused us to hit targets? Would we still be blaming the market? No, we'd probably be accepting the credit for ourselves, saying, oh man, I'm awesome. I knew it would break out at this very point, and I did a great job of analysis. And it's just unfair to do that. If we're going to accept credit when things go our way, we have to accept blame when things don't go our way. And that doesn't mean accepting blame as far as it being a bad trade, right? I just reviewed my trading for today, and I wrote this down as a good trade. I did everything I was supposed to do. If this happened 10 times out of 10, I would take it. I see no red flags aside from just being unlucky. But it doesn't mean I should blame the market. It's risk that I accepted, and I can't let that scare me out of my next trade. There was a great quote. There we go. Rewind. There was a great quote. There we go. Great quote by Bruce Kovner I read the other day. It says this. It says, "You have to be willing to make mistakes regularly. There is nothing wrong with it." He said, Michael, which is a trading buddy of his, Michael taught me about making your best judgment, being wrong. Making your next best judgment, being wrong. Making your third best judgment, and then doubling your money. And that's how trading is. You can't let a single scenario like this scare you out of your future opportunities. Now, if there's something that you did wrong as far as execution-wise, you do want to take that into account. As I mentioned, I just reviewed my trade. I want to make sure I didn't miss anything. I want to make sure I did everything the way I was supposed to do. I want to make sure there wasn't anything hidden that would have caused me not to be involved in this trade. But if you do that and everything comes back clean, right, you have to be willing to take the next opportunity. And trading is about taking a chance, losing, taking a chance, losing, taking a chance, losing, taking a chance, winning, and that win making up for all of those losses. And that's how you stay consistently profitable in the market. So yes, this trade ended up being a loser, but you know what? I think it brings a valuable lesson, and that's exactly why I wanted to share it with you guys today. So let me know what you think. If you like this video, hit that like button. Please continue to hit that share button. That way we can spread the word and reach more and more traders each and every day. And of course, if you're brand new and you like what you see on this channel and you want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, head over to tradeempowered.com and make sure you click the free training tab at the top and check out some of the free trading workshops that we have available. Take care, traders. I will see you guys tomorrow, many of you guys tomorrow. And until then, plan your trade, trade your plan. You guys have a great day.